wanted to show you a high performance 372 XPW chainsaw. It is the X Torq model, highly modified, was used for some of the shows. Just show you some of the features it has. Just want to show you how it's tacking there. It's tacking right at 14,000. This saw will be sold as a parts saw. I'm going to disable it by taking the spark plug out. They are very dangerous saws. What you do with it after that, you get it, that's up to you, but it will be sent to you with a spark plug removed. As a safety precaution, you should not cut with this chainsaw. Has all the great features that you expect on a Husqvarna chainsaw. Kill switch on the left, choke on the right, side loads, and large falling spikes. Mufflers opened up. It is very highly modified inside. So if you're wanting some parts for one of these high performance chainsaws, here's a nice one.